All right, you guys. So look, it's been a long journey, right? And I noticed the video that everybody been waiting for, and they've been like, okay, what is it going to be, right? The last final video, right? And this is like the last, this is like the end of the freeness of the OnlyFans, right? So any information I'm putting out on here on YouTube is the last free information that I'm going to give out, guys, this year, right? Like I told you guys, I'll practice different strategies and different things on the channel up and coming, but this is like the last piece of free information that I'm giving out. After Sunday, uh, OnlyFans will not be free anymore. It will be at least, I don't know yet, but it'll be a price. It'll be a monthly subscription. My $100 for a lifetime probably will go up too as well, guys. So if I was you, I would take advantage of that. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep that $100. I think I'm gonna do it for a while though, like just maybe for like another month or so, just so you guys can get access to me for a lifetime right now. And then, like I said, we can do the one-on-ones. You can schedule one-on-ones so that we can get in full detail on each video that I made. And then, like I said, we can get into my strategies and things that I do to be able to enter the market, to be able to be profitable and make my money, right? So you guys can start implementing and using it and start making money as well in the charts. So today, guys, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you guys a simple strategy that all beginners should know, right? When you get into the markets, you should just be able to know this strategy because you can use it off everything that I put together for you guys, right? That I showed you guys, right? This whole package right here should have been a beginner's guide to where you can enter into the markets and be profitable, guys. You guys should be profitable after this video. And like I said, all I'm doing is using different techniques that's already out here that's free. I'm just putting everything together for you guys just for, a Forex guy, right? Just for the love, I guess, you feel me? Like I said, all I need out of that in return, if you guys are interested, is to like, share, subscribe, right? And tell a friend. I'm no way by any means a financial advisor. All I'm here to do, or all I'm here for, is to help you guys, mentor you guys, show you guys risk management, proper risk management, risk to reward, to be able to actually take your trading to the next level, to actually compounding your account, to actually being profitable week by week, right? If you're using these same strategies and getting these same results, and if you wait for these, if you wait for these confluences, right, or for these different confirmations, then at the end of the day, you will make a lot more money than just someone just telling you this or telling you that, or hey, copy and paste this. Hey, this is my signal. You have a full understanding of what you're doing, and you can understand if a signal is not looking right, right? Because nobody is God. We can analyze everything. We can analyze the charts. We can have everything in order, but the market does what the market wants to do, guys. And by that being said, people have different lot sizes, different account sizes, and they'll be able to hold trades longer than you will be able to hold a trade, because that could potentially margin call you, wipe out your account, guys. I know you're tired of blowing accounts, starting over, putting more money in accounts. That's just not, you shouldn't have to do that, guys. If we actually compound ourselves and discipline ourselves and actually do what we say we're gonna do all the time, then yeah, Forex will start working for you. And what works for you is your Forex trading style and strategy. Okay, guys. So this is a strategy that everybody knows. Okay. So I'm about to teach it to you guys right now. I'm gonna share the screen. So this is like nothing fancy smancy or like no secret sauce. This is what everybody do. Okay, guys. So right now, I'm going to teach you guys supply and demand. Okay, a simple supply and demand strategy that can save that real life can change your whole strategy, your whole game, right? So supply is an area where sellers are stepping into the market, right? And this area is an area that you can actually draw a zone around. And you can actually trade off this area, right? So basically, how it works is, okay, I'm gonna find me a supply zone, right? I'll start off as supply, right? Because that's what I'm gonna talk about first. So supply is an area where a lot of sellers stepped in, right? So you want 2 or more candles, right, for a supply area, right? And I'm gonna show you how this works, and how effective it is to price, right? Okay, so now we say, okay, boom, we found the supply area. Okay, we got 1 or 2 or more candles, right? We see price starting to go down. Okay, we got other confluences as well. Basically, all the other confluences I told you guys. So we look for a supply area at a resistance. zone or a resistance area, guys. So let me show you how this is going to impact your trading, right? So now say we have this supply area, right? And now we also have this resistance level, right? This resistance zone, okay? So now hold on, we'll paint this, we'll make this a sell point, okay? And okay, so now this is our resistance, right? Price failed to come above this line. We got a resistance line here as well. So say we got our resistance line, we got our resistance line. We also could have had our supply line here as well. But okay, we missed this right here, right? We want to put our supply zone here because we see two more candle price drop, right? So let me show you how this works and how you can use it. So more than likely, every time you get a push, right, and you get two or more candles and you get your supply zone, price usually pushes down, okay? So when price pushes down, price usually wants to come back to this supply area, right? So the buyers usually find support somewhere and push price all the way back up to this supply zone, okay? So we know that this is a supply area. Now, if price breaks the supply area, then we know, hey, okay, this could be a possible reversal. Price could be going all the way up to the upside, right? But if price gets to this supply area where a bunch of sellers stepped in the first place, and it got back to this level, it retraced back to this level, right? And then what did it do? It failed to get to this level, right? So now we have another confirmed, right? We got another confirmed lower high, okay? At this point, we're starting to look for a what? A downtrend now, guys, right? This is what I've been teaching you guys all week, right? So now we're looking for this downtrend. Price fails to get to this supply zone. What are we looking for? Sales. What did the price do immediately after failing to get to the supply zone? It's sold all the way off, guys. So that's what I want you to start putting into your head too as well, right? I know a lot of this sound exactly the same, but if you use what I'm telling you and you use it all together, it'll all start making sense, right? Same here. You have another example of a supply zone, right? Two or more candles. You got 1, 2, 3 red candles, and what did price do? Falls down. It fell. It dropped, right? Once price dropped, and we got the moving averages. We talked about that too as well, but I'm not going over that in this video. All this is a simple supply and demand strategy. Okay, guys. So now price pushed down, it came back and it retraced the supply box. Okay, once it retraced the supply box, it pushed back down. It came back up to the supply box, right? We know about ranging areas, right? So now we're familiar with a ranging market, and that's exactly what we have going on. We see price coming in between these two levels. Is this worth it? Is the trade worth it? We take our pip ruler and we see, hey, you know, okay, boom, that's 10 pips I can catch back and forth tennis match. Okay, so that's if you want to trade the range, right? But we're not doing that. Just a simple supply and demand strategy. All right, so now price come back right back up to my supply zone. As it come back up to my supply zone, it fails to break my supply zone, so that means it fails to break structure. So that means structure is this downtrend, because now we have another confirmed, right, lower high, right? So now we're confirming this downtrend as we go along. As soon as price get back and it comes back up to my supply zone, what does it do? Push down and sells off. Okay, guys? So that is simple. That is a supply area, right? So now how do we use it on a uptrend? Now you're asking the right question. We do the same exact thing, guys. We take our supply area. I mean, instead of a supply, we have a demand area now. So now we're looking for a demand area, a demand zone. What do we look for a demand zone? If we look for the supply zone, we're looking off the resistance. Then on the demand zone, we're looking off the support, guys. Boom, right? So we're looking for 3 or more bullish candles, right, to be able to draw this demand zone, right? Simple, man. I know that sounds like Blue's Clues, but hey, it's going to get you to the next level. Then I'm with it. All right, so we got 1, 2, we got 3 candles here, okay? So now we have this demand zone, guys. So we can go to setting, templates, change it blue, do all that, go to styles, change it blue, blah, 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 right? I got a template, and then once you save as, you can save it as you want. So I put buy zone. So now I got this buy zone, which is the demand zone, okay? So it shows me that a lot of buyers are stepping into the market. This could be a good area, okay? So we don't rush because we see these 3 candles and we see a bullish market. So we could get in if we're more aggressive. We could wait, right? Because what did price do? It went up, came back and retraced back to this demand zone, right? And it could not break this demand zone, creating a lower low. What did it do? It created a lower high, right? Or a higher low. I'm sorry. It created a higher low because now we're looking for the uptrend now, guys. We went over these videos. We know about the uptrend. We know what it looks like. We know what candle patterns look like. So like I say, once you put all this together, it's going to be like, ding. All right. So now price pushes up off of this demand zone. And then what does it do? Buys up, guys. As you see, I can't make it up. I can't make none of this up. That is what happened, right? Now after it got to this, after it bought up, right, it came and retraced all the way back down to this demand zone, which is also a key area, right? We had a key level at this 133,000. We had a key level. So we see that this gold key level is marked from the monthly time frame. So 133,000, 134,000, right? From this area, right? We're looking for demand areas, right? So we need we need 2 more candles to have a demand area, right? So that's what we do again. So now we see these 1, 2, 3. We see these few candles 1, 2, 3 right here. We can start right here, and then we can put another demand area, okay? And what is this? Also a confirmed higher low, okay? So now we got another confirmed higher low. So we know for a fact we solely looking for buys, right? Now we got the EMAs too that's helping us out as well. So like I said, guys, you got to put everything together and use it as a whole, right? And then we had this other supply area, right? So this demand area. So price shoots up from this demand area, come back, retraces off this demand area, fails to create a lower low, or fails to break this demand area where a lot of buyers stepped in there, and we can make it big. We can make it big as this, right? Where a lot of buyers stepped in that, right? It came and retraced here. So now we know we can comfortably, right? Confluences and all line up, right? We know we can comfortably get in for this buy and be okay with this buy, okay? So, and that's basically how you would do that, guys. That's how you would do it. You would try to basically look for support areas, right? And then you would try to look for bullish confirmation, right, from candles, right? Then that's how you would be able to draw on these demand zones, okay? Once you draw on these demand zones, we're looking for the retracement. So we're looking for the push up, right, off the demand zone. So now we got that, okay? Now we're looking for the pullback, okay? And we're looking for the support, okay? So, and we're looking for confirmations as far as like, right, higher highs, right? Lower lows, lower highs, whatever. We look for all those confirmations. We're confirming the uptrend or not. We're confirming if it's a downtrend or not. But we also know we have these levels, and at these levels, we can put demand. We can put, we can use candles. We can use so many ways to enter into the market, guys. So this is what I just want you guys to understand before getting into the group, that you have to put in the work. You got to put in your work. You have to understand that even if I give you a signal, okay, so I told you to buy here, right, at this engulfing candle, right? So price buys all the way up, right? And we looking good. We good to go, right? And then I say, okay, your first take profit can be here. I could have gave you that, right? So you could have got out right here. That's okay, fine and dandy. But what if I'm the type of person that's getting in here and I didn't want to exit to this 34,000 level, because I know once price came from this 133,000 level that is going to this 134,000 level, right? I know this type of things because I'm more experienced, right? You don't know these type of things because you're just more, oh, hey, give me the signal and let me know my entry and my exit point, right? Where so I can teach you guys and I can mentor you guys, and therefore you can, okay, boom. Well, I already know this area. Boom, I got a demand area here, so I know I'm solely looking for buys. All right, he gave me this. He say he got this bias that price is gonna get to here. So, hey, man, I might not want to hold all the way up to there. I might can't take that, this pullback right here, or I might can be more okay. I'll be patient. I'll wait until this retest off here, and then I'll get in, or however. But you guys be able to understand it and to know that you're looking for entries, and even if you do get out, enter here, exit here, when price gets in trouble, because I teach that as well. When you get to trouble areas or exhausted areas, you can also get out as well. But it's probably just, if you look back in historical time, it's probably where price had a problem at before. So you might not be able to deal with these retraces, or you like entering on retraces, or you like entering on breakouts. There's so many different strategies out here, guys. I can give you 100% winning rate strategy, and you can lose every single time by not understanding the market structure, right? Not understanding, hey, okay, like I said, I got in here for the buy. And then you know, hey, you like, okay, I say, hey, you get in for the buy, and then we're going up to this 134,000 level, and then as soon as you get in for the buy, price pull all the way back here. Now you got all this drawdown, or now I just blew your whole account, and you're, oh my God, he's not right. He don't know how to trade. And then look at what happened, guys. The trade went all the way up, right? So many pips, right? So from the same trade, I call 90, 100 pips, right? You know, I got in just here a little too early, right? So you could have got out at this 20 pips, but then all of a sudden you was to get in, you saw the signal trade late, and then, oh no, you go a negative 21 pips right here. You could have blew your whole account, and you thought the trade was wrong, and boom, it really went the right way, guys. So this is what I'm trying to teach, and what I'm trying to preach. That, yeah, I give out signals. Yeah, it's a you know, a premium group chat. But I also give out, you know, daily analysis, right? I give out the analysis. I give out a live analysis, right? I give out, you know, basically me taking the place in the trade live most of the times. I take the same trades. I place the same exact trades that I call out, wins or losses, guys. And not only that, you get access to me. Real access. I'm not no celebrity quote status, and I'm super rich, super paid Forex. You know, you got to go through this person, go through that person. No, if I'm your mentor, you're going to be able to get one-on-one access with me. We're going to be able to go over the charts together. We're going to be able to find out your strengths, your weaknesses. We're going to be able to come up with some type of trading plan for you, and we're going to be able to put you in on everything else, right? We're going to be able to fill you in on all the stuff that you need to know, everything that you need to know, right? If this sound good, if this sound like this could be you, if this sound like Forex can be with you, then you already know what to do, man. Go ahead and hit the links in the description below. Go ahead and sign up, man. It's your boy. Like I said, man, this is the last time. This is the last access of free knowledge for me, as far as, you know, giving you the game and literally trying to break it down too as well. Because I know these videos, they can get real long and real boring fast. So I don't want to be dreadful. I don't want this to be like, oh my God, I got to learn too much. No, I gave you the basics. You guys should be able to come into these charts, hit these charts with me, and we can be able to make some money together, guys. More eyes on the charts, then more money to be made, right? The more we build a team and we can help each other out, not no scamming, nothing. We're literally helping each other out. We're trying to make money every day. We can hit these charts together, and let's get it, gang. Y'all know what time it is, man. SMSFX. Go ahead and Google me. Yeah, we're gonna pull up. Let's get it.